Hey everyone, so I was sent this wig for my personal review from a company called LiyahHair, and I thought this was just super cute. So I could not pass up the opportunity to do a review for this wig. Now I am a beginner with wigs. As you guys know, I usually play in my own hair a lot, so I was super excited at the chance to try this out. And this is a lace front wig, and I'll also put more details down in the description box as well as the link to the company if you'd like to check this unit out. Now once you open it, that was a personal letter to me, which is why I set it to the side. But once you open it, your hair is inside, and this right here is the one that I got is Brazilian hair, and it's 14 inches, and it says 100% virgin hair. Now once you take it out of the package, this is what it looks like. There is a comb on the left, the right, the back, and one in the middle, and then there's the lace all around. This is so soft. It is so soft. It is so soft. Like that's the main thing. I could not stop running my hair through the curls, and I actually think I made it a bit frizzy doing that. This is a close-up of what the lace looks like in the front. It comes with a tad bit of baby hairs, but a lot of people I know create their own as well. Okay, so this is kind of like a first impressions because I just literally cut the lace and just put it on top of my head. I know a lot of y'all are really good at, you know, when you pluck the parts and you do the concealer or the foundation, and you're really good at doing the baby hairs and all that kind of stuff. But I'm just showing you what it looks like straight out the box, straight on my head. I didn't do anything but finger comb the curls. Like literally, that's all I did. Tomorrow, I'm going to try to make it look really nice and everything. But I think it looks nice like this. But like I said, I just put it on my head. But tomorrow, I'll really try to like do something right up in here, make it look really nice. I'm gonna turn around and show you what the back looks like right quick. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like straight out of the package. Okay, so here's the back. As you can see, I got my ponytail, my hair. So this kind of just like a bootleg version right here. So I don't even have my phone like up on the tripod, but I just want to show you what it looks like. And then tomorrow I have my hair all the way under here, and yeah, I'll come back with an update. I think this is really nice. It's like super soft. Like it's really pretty and soft. Really like this. You know what? So this was the next day after I tried to fix up the baby hairs in the front and make it look really cute. But you know what? I actually liked it the first day when I just tried it right out of the package. Like, we get so obsessed with like trying to make the baby's hairs and all that, and I think it looked really nice without trying to make it look like, you know, with the baby hairs. And so I think this would be a really good wig if you're a beginner and you don't want the baby hairs and try to make it look a certain type of way. It looks just fine right out of the package, but I'm just showing you what it looks like, you know, once I slick the hair down in the front. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know down below. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.